Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to create rolling and credit on a CapCut. First thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut application, and right after that you just need to go create the new project by Google this part. And the next thing you need to do is just go open your library, and here please take a look on this line and just go click this background. The next thing you need to do is just go picking the background that you want to use for the background of your credit of the movie or the video that you have been created. And whenever it's done, I think I need to pick another, so I'll let you pick another background first. Okay, let's say I'll let you go with this one, and then just go click add. So here we already have the background. You just need to customize like how long this credit will be displayed for your video. If you want to make it longer, you just need to go drag this into the right side into the specific seconds or time or durations that you want to have. I think I would like to make it like 10 seconds. Okay, I got this 10 seconds duration. The next thing you need to do is just go creating the text. So here you just need to go click this text and go click add text. So here you just need to put all of the part of your friends or your coworkers, your team that involving into your video maker, and then you just need to add into this part. And I would like to just type credits here. And the next thing you need to do after you done or for adding all the text here, you just need to visit the fonts if you want to change the fonts. And the next thing you need to do, you can also do the styling. You can just pick the color of your credits and so on and so on. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button. Now make sure that the length of this text is just the same with the length of the video. So you just need to drag this point into the right side until the text is just the same with the video. So the next thing you need to do is just go drag this text part into the down side until those text is just disappear. Okay, perfect. And then don't forget to add the K in here. And then after that, you just need to drag the straight lines into the end of the clip. And the next thing you need to do is just go drag the text here into the upper side until the text is just disappeared, just the same with we did before. Okay, and here is the result. Okay, let me show you. So the text will be like running from down part into the upper side. So that is the way how to create the rolling and credit. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.